Þetta var í kokkar og Wrexham.
Aha.
Já. Það var 0-0 svo bara 2-0 á 90. Mínus 2 í markatali, er ég bara glataðir eða?
Þú er samt alveg bara að skora mörg mörg, hvernig er þetta mínus 2 í markatali? Þú varst alveg að vinna leikið 3-0 í gær, sko.
Skora 25 og fá 27 á mig.
Það er crazy, sko. Ég er að fara að hækka difficulty á mér.
Ok. Alltaf létt að það bara ekki leik.
Smá og létt. Ég ætla að sýna þér hann og trúður. Viltu sjá liðið mitt eða? Viltu ekki sjá liðið mitt?
Vá, er ekki getað keypt neitt? Settur smettaðar í leikinn að... Já. Gísliði gaurinn. Settul. Og flikkar hæðistekinu. Ég kann ekki að skoða þessu sko. Í 4. sæti. Nyt perkele tätä. Leon S. Kennedy. competitive léttara, sko. Jú. Já. Þú verður þetta vindin á líka, ég er með það. Ég fer að og setja competitive á. Ha! Þú bara búin að vera í professional. Yep. Reit. Jú, já. Ó, fy skut, ógisli. Það er svona góður í gær. Ah, richtig, da. Já, það er að slótra það.
One man, the focus of attention.
Met de
In a
stoom.
rich vein of form and #1 in the scoring charts. Can he do it again today? Live on EA TV. Hello
Correct,
and
oktober.
welcome wherever you happen to be. Our action comes to
Ja,
you
nog
from the
terug,
Stoke City Stadium. I'm Derek Ray and my commentary partner for this one is the former England international Sue Smith. And the focus is very much on live action from the Championship. It's Stoke City and they take on Charlton Athletic.
Well, I can't wait for this one. Both sets of fans are certainly up for it. I'm sure that that'll give the players a real boost. They'll be hoping to start the game at a fast tempo.
Cutting in. And look at this! Well, somehow the goalkeeper got to it. Playing it in. And did well to hold on to it this time.
Yeah, superb initial save that took the sting out.
Gauður, við erum með góðan rækmið á láni, sko.
Intelligent
Þar hann ekki.
defending.
Nei, ég veit að þið vorum eitthvað 77 ára gaur.
Feeding it through.
Ég fæ örugglega að sjá það eftir svona season 3.
Stoke bara bombarda mig.
Referee indicates goal kick. And a goal at Bramall Lane, I'm hearing. Alex Scott can tell us all about it.
Yeah, it's a goal for Sheffield United. They've scored the opener here with 9 minutes played.
Cheers, Alex. Oh, they'll be disappointed. It looked promising.
Yeah, that looks really promising. They'll be disappointed, you know.
Well, you can probably see why we're focusing on this fellow as one to watch. In particular, what
Yellow
do you expect to
Sushi.
see from him?
Yeah, just look at the stats. He's scored so many goals this season. Second top scorer in the league. He just always looks a threat whenever you watch him. And I'm sure he's going to be looking for more again today.
Can he find the right pass? And he's in.
Ertu lélegur?
He's gone into an illegal position, unfortunately. Plays with a positional sense that is second to none.
Bara kann ekki spila leik.
Chances on. And there it is.
Hann var rán.
1-0, and they'll feel they deserve it.
1-0.
Well, if we look at this again, what a
Hvað er hann mikið rán?
The rate of pass is
Really
just
well.
right to set up the opportunity. And once he's clean through, he doesn't mess about, just smashes it past the keeper. Brilliant strike.
Haraldsson. What can they do from here? This could level it. Manhoef. Went in strongly, decisively. Oh dear, up a dead end.
Gef alltaf á gaur sem ég vill ekkert gefa.
Plenty of support here. But a good piece of defending to bring it to an end. Pearson. And playing it through. Good through ball. It did look on for them, but not to be. Super stop. Oh, chance! And you've just witnessed a moment of truly high-class goalkeeping.
What a stop, wasn't it, from the keeper? He doesn't have much time to react. That's a top save.
Corner again. Who can they pick out? Oh, I can't believe it! He's gone and missed the chance.
Yeah, this is poor. He's got to at least hit the target. He just lacks that composure needed in front of goal.
Greg Doherty.
Kurzunterbrechung geht's Wechsel.
Harry Clark.
Gengur bara erfilega að fara yfir miðju, sko.
Lloyd Jones.
Ó, fulla.
Campbell on the ball. No space for them here. Who can he pick out? Will it go in? Not
Getur líka í staðan fyrir að íta hring, það getur íta kassa, það er svona meira að nota öxl í öxl. Stort að verðast. Nei, ég meina X, ekki kassa.
To win back possession. Well, it's a good-looking position. Is there a goal in the future? But nothing comes of it. Well, it could be on for
Hann
him
var
here.
slótt.
Well, there's something really eye-catching about a well-executed chip. A bit unlucky there.
Well, he's gone for it, hasn't he? But just can't quite get the accuracy on it. Not far off, though.
Hakon Arnar Haraldsson. Now with Clark. Cody.
Kelban.
Campbell with it.
Trúi
And
ekki.
he's got it scored to level us again.
Well, here we can see it again. You
Það
do
er 1-1.
have to feel for the keeper. He's left completely exposed at the back. He never really had much of a chance. Poor
Sirksi.
defending, you have to say.
So underway again here on the back of that leveller. And we are going to have 2 additional minutes. Wilting under the pressure, and now they try to go forward. And that is going to be all for the first 45 here at the Stoke
1-1
City
story of my
Stadium.
life.
I think most fans would be pretty happy with this man's display so far.
Well, what a time for him to score the equaliser. That will have certainly...
Well, they've got things going again here, and I wonder what kind of second half we have in store for us. Million Manhoef. Look as though they had attacking momentum, but not so.
Yeah, it was good work right off the ball to win it back, wasn't it?
And the referee takes exception to the challenge. Free kick. Good pressure. Zirkzee. And support available.
Aye.
Promising pass. Well, news to bring you from one of the other games, and big news at that. Here's Alex Scott.
Yes, it was a penalty for Portsmouth, and it only went and hit the bar, but it went in. It's now 1-1 with 53 minutes played.
Thanks as always to Alex Scott. Just looking ahead to another game coming up for you from the Championship live on EA TV. It's Stoke City taking on Hull City. He's in here. Terrific block there. Well, there was impending danger, but good defending.
Ég segi þessi hálfstig fyrir gaurin sem kemst lengra áfram í Carabao Cup.
Haraldsson.
Það segir.
Threading
Við
in.
höfum það eftir þetta Carabao Cup hálfstig.
Miklu léttara lið, ég enda að fá Leeds.
Yeah, nothing fancy. Just got it away from danger. Gives them time to breathe.
The thrills and spills of Championship action. Join us for this one, live on EA TV. It's Charlton Athletic up against Coventry City.
Yeah, it should be a cracker, that. Certainly worth watching.
Campbell with it.
Ég
Playing with
setja
a flow
Dykes inn
and
og fyrir
intensity.
vítaskendinga. Það er eitthvað
Can he do it?
1 sens í uppbytt á þessu vítsum.
That's his brace. They just can't keep them quiet.
Er þetta besti kamen í deildina?
Það er Sirksi.
Well, here we can see it again. And a simple finish it may be. But it's
Ég
all
trúi
about
ekki.
the
Ég
movement
sett
in the
hann
box.
90.
Just to find that yard or two of space. That's what makes it an easy finish in the end.
Þetta var alvörinu fucking mark.
Hvað Xerxes?
Ben Pearson.
Nei, mér.
Ui.
B. Intelligent ball.
Það er ekki vítaskendinga á mig.
This could level it. And able to get a body in the way.
Jú, já, ég vann.
Well, a change to the scoreline I'm hearing in the Southampton game, and Alex Scott has the details.
Yeah, it's a goal for Leicester City. It was all in the build-up play for me. So many different players involved, and once the space opened up, he took his chance superbly. It's now 1-0.
Hvernig hann slopp?
Well, forgive me, Alex, what an opportunity here. And it's a goal.
Ég hata hann.
What a match this is turning out to be.
Well, you can see the pace on the break is scary, really difficult to stop. And then he's through on goal, no hesitation at all. Just puts his foot through it. Rifles it past the keeper. It's a cracking finish.
Well, as you'll have noticed, we had to cut Alex a bit short just then. To confirm, Leicester have scored in that game. They now lead by 1-0. Well, he certainly made his mark on the game, and now the manager is making a switch.
Hvernig fekk ég Carabao Cup?
Well, they're going to be very cross with themselves because
Hvernig
that was a
skot
wasted
var þetta?
opportunity.
Oh, what a great opportunity that was. That should have been a goal.
Ég segi það
then.
fyrir Chelsea.
Crystal Palace.
And crossed in there. And steered back under a bit of pressure.
Sem Mænhof fyrir ógeð.
Sam Gallagher. If they can finish here, that might be that. B. And holds on to it confidently. Clark. Well, it's a decent-looking attack, this. Well, a crucial intervention inside the box. And we've entered the final 5 minutes. Really good block. Right, quickly over to Alex Scott. A good moment for an update, Alex. There's been a goal at Bramall Lane.
It's a second goal for Sheffield United. They're back in this now with
Apologies for jumping in, but this could be a chance. And it's opening up. Oh, a goal! And is that going to be the one that wins it for them? There's every chance.
Nei.
And the fans are lapping this up.
Ég hata
The
hann.
electronic board delivers
Conor
the
Gallagher
news.
situr
2 minutes of
grattaður.
stoppage time.
Ég bara næ ekki boltar maður.
This could finish it. And
Tvö grattaði mér.
that is game over. So little time left for a response. Fired in there quickly. And that will be all for this game. Defeat for the visitors. That's the big story.
Gött.
Well, they'll be disappointed with...
Stók bestir eða?
Some questions regarding the match.
Carragher á rekin eða?
Örglega. Ég er að setja strikt.
Ég held að objektu okkur sé ekki að falla sko.
Thanks very much.
Shit, hún myndi Coventry næst. Þú ert kukt. Besta liði í deildinni sko.
Má ekki simma það bara.
Busquets.
Ekki hissa ef hún gladar í vörn.
Kubasi ekki inn á.
Nei. Nú erum við startingurinn enn á.
Þetta starta Austuríki.
Já.
Finnst hann góður?
Veit það ekki.
Lél staðmennir. Eitt 0. What a goal! Ertu að selja Kubasi í janúar eða?
Örugglega. Því ég var ennþá í sem fucking deild.
Match day is finally here with fans streaming into the stadium. Excitement is off the scale and the anticipation has never been higher. Hello and thanks for joining us on a lovely day for a game. My name's Guy Mowbray. Sue Smith is alongside me for commentary. We've got coverage of Championship football for you today. It's Coventry City and they face Charlton Athletic.
It's great to be here. I think it's important that both teams are focused from the off though and they start quickly. But I'd love to see some goals. Hopefully I've not just cursed it.
Players waiting in the centre. This could be. No, that's superb from the defender. This is the Coventry City team.
Yeah, it's a 4-5-1, but it will morph into a 4-2-3-1. The single centre-forward will be supported by the number 10, and you'd expect them to rotate and swap positions just to try and drag defenders out. The wide midfielders, they'll offer a threat in behind.
Oh, they could be in here soon. And that is a terrific stop.
Oh, his positioning is spot on. Really makes it difficult for the attacker. Stops an almost certain goal there.
And they take a short corner. Closed it down well.
Oh my god, han var sloppy.
Ollie Watkins.
Oh.
Excellent reading of the game to win the ball. Bell. What a room here, it's promising. Can he finish? Oh, wonderful stop.
Yeah, he didn't have long to react, did he? His reflexes are absolutely outstanding.
Struggling to keep the ball there. That's a good spot, well played. He just lacked the required finesse with that one.
That was close, it was a decent effort. Good vision, just too much on it.
To edge ahead now, and he's lost it. At the moment when the chance was on.
Ég er svo lélegur.
Jay Da Silva. Bobby Thomas. Ephron Mason-Clark. There's good width to this attack now.
Gefðu hann á hinn!
Were getting interested there, but not anymore. Jack Rudoni. Milan Van Eyck. Rudoni. And on to Mason-Clark. Lovely ball. This could lead to something.
Nej, såg jag någon.
A chance to get something going here.
Done!
Composure now. They've got in front. A key moment in the match. And we're back underway at 1-0. Rodoni. Well, let's go over to Alex now because she's got a goal at the King Power Stadium to report.
Yeah, it's a goal for Leicester City. They've scored the opener here with...
Sorry, Alex. Chance here, maybe. Oh, terrific save.
Yeah, denied what looked like a certain goal. That's brilliant awareness.
Off the crossbar. And it's only just cleared the crossbar.
Yeah, it's nice play initially, gets a yard to get the cross in, but the header just lacks that accuracy needed to test the keeper.
Bell.
Hvað breyti ég commentator?
Hvað gerir ég held að gera eftir leikinn? Það að fá þjóðverðina.
Nei.
Bara ekki Alex
Scott.
Phenomenal.
Já, ekki hóra, sko.
Time. Truly world class that.
Sástu það?
That has flown into the net. What a strike. A superb volley.
Skandal.
Nei.
Well, what a finish that is. He connects so sweetly. The keeper can only watch it go past. It's a brilliant goal.
So it's 1 each as the game restarts. Grimes. There's a bit of belief in this move, but not the end result they wanted from an encouraging position. Saved and held on to as well.
Ég var að vinna,
Kurd sem látur að vinna B.
A big area to progress into here.
Ég vinna morgun líka. Yes, sir.
It's a corner, and the chance may be...
Ég ætla bílum að vera bilaður.
The chance slips away.
Well, nice approach, wasn't it? But the final ball just wasn't there.
And that whistle brings the first half to a close. Well, he's made his mark on the game, proving particularly hard to play against. He's causing problems.
Yeah, it was a really solid performance, wasn't it? A lot of what was good about their play went through him, and I'm sure he'll be hoping for a similar impact in the second half.
Já, það sást ekki markið það.
And the second half kicks off with 45 more minutes ahead of us. Trying to spot the attack further into life here. Well, it was looking
Sen
good.
á Dalgri Alex
Ultimately
Scott.
nothing doing.
Hver er það?
Kettling.
Hvað er þessi guð sem þú sendir þetta á?
Nei, það er Finster. Það er
That's a
bara.
good pass. What a chance here. And a marvellous save.
Veistu hver Finster er
Thought
að
that was a goal, but he showed his quality there with a big save.
Big chance here.
Mig.
Oh, could be here. Oh, what a good ball. They could be in.
Ah!
It's a shame for them, but top marks for the defending.
Þú búin að fara nýtt sér þátt af The Boys?
Yep.
Ekki.
Well, we have more
See,
championship
monster
action
there.
coming up for you here on EA TV.
Öll fucking
As
myrt.
Coventry face Ipswich Town. We'll have all the action live for you on that one.
Frenzy, Milkman og kærastans Frenzy.
Well, they got so far, but no end result.
Nei, ég er ekki að sé það. Hvernig kom hann?
Var það ekki bara
It's in, and it's their game to lose from here.
Well, here it is again, and this is great.
Mother's Milk.
Up the field, and it just
Ég ætla að fyndi þegar Hónandi er fatta að hann var kallað Mother's Milk.
so difficult to play out. It's a nice finish.
Ég er bara búin að sjá 2 þættir.
Já, við
Bara að klára Gen V. Er ég vann 1
Ég var líka að klára Gen V. Það er ekki heit gælan sem getur minkað sig það.
Sharp reflexes and quick thinking. He's done so well there.
Það var til í hann.
Well, maybe
Já,
only
það
a
var að
half
stækka sig og
chance.
hoppa inn í
Missed
rótina á
by
hann.
quite a distance.
Yeah, this is great defending. There's so much pressure on him just as he's about to head this. Means he can't hit the
Thomas
target.
Godolkin OP.
Getur Starlight heit núna maður fyrir að lítra ekki maður.
Well, what a place to lose the
Ég veit
ball
að maður-
just when the chance was on. A bit of a squeeze on here. And they might be in. This has to be.
Yes!
There's the equaliser. It's all square again.
Hvað, ég fór eitthvað í smá í burtu þannig í gær og þú bara fara.
Þú varst gæðvöld lengi í burtu og ég bara, herri, ég er bara svo við ennski lengur. Rítskvöta.
You can see it again. And he does so well to skip past his
Yeah,
mark
that's
there.
so good.
That's what opens up the opportunity. And it's
Hvernig voru
cool
þeir búnir?
as you like it.
Sjöði.
Aftur þá fór ég og skuttlaði bílum eitthvað á vegstæði. Fórst kannski heim og dó.
Oh, brilliant anticipation. And the referee sees that as a foul. Free kick to come.
Svo veist ekki svona vita að voru farin.
So 20 minutes left of this game.
Það fór að kipja.
Jep.
And it's pinched Reddy's mind
Yes,
there.
sir. Hvað er ég að fara að sprengja þetta með right near?
Right
Getting
fucking
into a
me
good
out.
position.
Veitir hvað, varstu bara að tapa þegar ég var í burtu eða?
Já,
Ákveðin skerðlir.
glata rísaleg.
Yes, sir. Right fucking meow.
Right fucking meow.
Þetta er glata, ég á engan pening maður.
Now to play it goes for a throw-in. Well, maybe an opportunity to get their noses in front with this corner. Oh, that's tremendous.
Hann varð á línu.
Save that so easily. And behind for a corner. Pressure still on. Well, comfortably
Glataður skalli.
target in the end. That'll be a goal kick.
Yeah, I think you have to credit the defending there. Just enough pressure to put him off at that vital moment.
Onyeka. Could turn out to be a really good ball.
Þegju.
the ball, trying to move the defenders. Frank Onyeka. Played in with that.
Nej, fucking mitt i det.
Great rhythm. There's a real flow to this. Now, this might be promising. That has stopped any potential danger.
Bless me.
Now, there's been a goal in another game, so over to Alex to tell us about it.
Yeah, second one for Preston North End.
Hang on, what about this? And a
Trúski.
superb block. And the ball comes in, and that one is got away. It's more or less next goal wins time. Could this be it? Having to stay patient. And crucial, quick reactions keep things level.
Yeah, that's excellent. Read it so well, and that keeps him right in it.
Power shot.
No way through, possession lost.
Ég?
Ja.
Það veit ég.
Matt Grimes. Milan van Ewijk. Finds himself with space now. A promising move stalled.
Nei. Jafntefli.
And it's all over with the score level, but plenty to get stuck
Það bara
into.
sigur hjá mér, sko.
Ja.
Can we ask you a question?
Ég var spennandi með LOL. Sen Crystal Palace.
Nei, ég ekki með fucking lykilinn.
No further questions, thank you.
Fuck.
Getur gert kommentir í tíma þá, mikið, á English.
Derek Rains, Stuart Robson. Eða Guy Mowbray, Stuart Robson.
Þú ræður.
Portsmouth. Þeir eru einu sæti fyrir ofan mig. Þetta er algjör Saltberginur.
Ollie Watkins að sinna sig að sína sig.
Fucking diabolical.
Ha?
Þess að Ollie Watkins sína sig.
Hvað meinarðu?
Er hann bara góður?
Hvar séð maður hver er búinn að skora á mest og eitthvað?
Skothopp.
Nú hvar?
Gerir bara góls og yttir að kassa sort
Ég sé það ekki.
í skothab. Vita það. Sem að lána gaur og setja franslistan. Það er bara sloppið. Tjöfis. Súpa!
Hann er með 11 mörg.
Markaðistir.
Í deildinni? Nei, hjá mér, já.
Já, bara þér.
Nothing that gets fans talking like a key player being left out. It's a decision that could pay off, but a massive test of his managerial judgment. Can he get the result to justify that huge call? Hello and thanks for joining us live here on EA TV. I'm Guy Mowbray, your commentator, with the professionals.
Byrjar Hermann Hreiðars í sportsbóða?
Stuart Robson, and we've got live championship football coming up. It's Charlton Athletic, and they take on Portsmouth.
Well, we've got everything needed for a good game here. Two motivated teams, a vibrant atmosphere, and some very good players. Let's hope we're not disappointed.
Hvað, mikið bara búin að tapa í kvöld?
Starting to get interested here.
Nei, tap og jafntefli.
Ekkert vinn, alveg.
And that leaves any defensive worry.
Well, that's how to clear the danger. Good piece of defending there.
Ég kúkt.
Tackle clears it away. Here's how the home side lines up.
Well, it's certainly a back four, but I think we'll see a lot of rotation in
Little
midfield.
bird.
They just need to have a good understanding about when to support the front player and when to drop that little bit deeper. It certainly looks like a 4-5-1 to me.
Here's
Vilka
the
strömmar
Portsmouth
ut,
team
ska?
sheet.
Well, they're matching up here,
Oh.
so midfield domination will be key to winning this game. If they can manage that, it will then allow their fullbacks to join their attacking play.
Now time to cross to Alex Scott with news of a goal.
It's a goal for Middlesbrough. They've scored the opener here with 11 minutes played.
Nice one, Alex. Thank you.
Prump FIFA for Siegfried Gandor.
The forward progress continues. And it's been seen and stopped.
Já,
And there's the
aldrei
whistle
aukaspyrna.
as the ref gives a free kick.
Það ætti að standa prump í FIFA.
Well, it's no surprise to see who we focused on as our player to
Prump í
watch
FIFA,
in this
Prump
game.
FIFA,
You would
bara Prump
presume
FIFA.
that he'd play a really big part.
Well, whenever the ball drops to him in the box, you expect him to score. He's such a good finisher and a good all-round player.
Lélega sendingin, maður. Hann heldur að hann sé ykkur brún. Þeir keypti ekki bara brún og verður allan peningin.
Það er eitthvað Man United byrjað.
And it's been cut out. There's the turnover. Allowed to go a long
Mér
way
gengur
with
betur en
this.
þú, ég er búin að eða 10 miljónum. Hvað, ert þú bara með eitthvað 50 óra lið?
Straight line to goal here.
Ég er bara með lið sem er
It's
eitthvað að
in.
byrja með.
1-0.
Og einn gaur,
And all the
eitthvað gaur.
pressure made to count. Clearly the better team to this
Mikki
point.
búin að eða 200 miljónum.
Ekki lengur, 0.
Hvað mennur 0? Þú átt 0 núna. Sem bara eyða 200 miljónum.
Well, as you
Yeah,
can
he
see, he
twice.
beats the defender so easily with a change of pace, and then it's a decent finish. That's a
Veitu
very
hvað,
good
allir
goal, you have
gaurið
to say.
liðinu bara með bara eitthvað 60 óra alveg.
It's 1-0 as the game restarts.
7, 8, 9, 70. Og hvað er þetta ungt lið það? Vil þetta verða betri eða? Já. Nokkuð út þessu. Einn að
Still
lána
out of
þessu
play.
tíma.
Throw in to come.
Mitt liði lúka betur, sko.
Já, ég er ekkert ósamlega því. Hvað sagðir? Þitt lukkar betur.
Já.
No sign of stopping yet.
Svo byrjaði hann með 200 milljónir.
Now he's in. Oh, they scored again.
Let's take it in.
Just restarted after the last one.
Það er svo þú bara spilt á easy.
Well, let's look at this again. He's done superbly well to pick out a teammate here, and the finish is just as good.
Ég horfði á Grími Sérskín, það benda bara nákvæmlega þann.
Ég er að horfa á Grímina, hann er að struggle.
Kemur nú fyrir maður vinnur eitt leik hellitin fjandinn hafa.
Time to cross to Alex with details of a goal at Sheffield United.
Yep, it's a goal for Sheffield United. They've scored the opener here with 29 minutes played.
Hang on, what about this? Oh, that's fantastic. That's next level.
Nei, takka fyrir aftan fjastringuna.
Nothing will come of it. It's been clear.
Ég rakst í hann maður.
Hvað gerir þau?
Hvað, ertu ekki með að auka fjastringum maður sem við ekki minnum tök fyrir aftan? Ég er að spila hana, þetta er enn fjastringu sem ég gaf gau og ég fekk hann aftur.
Tackle
Ég
takes
vil
it
ekki
out
nota
for a
hina,
throw.
ég vil ekki fá drift.
Well, as you can see, the hosts have controlled the possession
Fíf.
and have used it really well
Skiptir
today,
engu máli,
particularly in the
ég
midfield areas.
Nei,
And I expect more of the
precies.
same as the game goes
Oh
on.
my god.
Well, they have a bit of defending to do here. And that's an
Það
easy
spara
but
fjöldan.
disappointing attempt.
Yeah, that has to go down as a poor
tapaði.
effort, I'm afraid.
Minn mál eru góðir, sko.
Ollie Watkins. Oh, it must be here. The keeper quick to get across and make the save.
Þetta erfar ég með þessu.
Delivered
Yep.
into the box.
Nei.
Comfortably off target in the end. That'll be a goal.
Grímur ekki að tapa leik.
Defender, if you can't win it, you have to make it difficult for your opponent, and he certainly did that.
Ebu
Hann er bara
Adams.
betri.
Just breaking off for a moment.
Ja, ég er
here
ekkert að
because
neita því.
Alex has a goal for us at Sheffield United.
It's a goal for Sheffield United.
Já, geðveikt
It was
skot.
a breathtaking finish. A shot from such a long way out. I think it totally
Hann er
surprised
kominn
the
spila svona
goalkeeper.
300 klukkutíma í þessum leik,
They
sko.
pulled ahead by 2 with
Er
38
ekki Jensson
minutes
líka
on the
í
clock.
And Alex will keep us updated.
erfiðasta difficulty, eða? Já.
Hann var í professional í gær.
Nei.
Could get it over now.
Ég er samt í World Class, sko. Ég var bara professional player í hinuleikunum, sko.
Hvað stað það World Class? Og ég ekki bara eitthvað grubbaði sem okkur líkilega.
It's to half the gap. And that's not a bad save at all. It's put into the middle. And that'll do it. The end of the first 45 minutes here. Well, we've seen it, and that shows it some more. One of the standout players on show.
Yeah, I've got to say, he's been excellent. He's looked bright, he's looked sharp, great awareness, and scored that good goal.
We're back in business. One half down, one to go. The anticipation rising with this move. Lovely incisive ball. Oh, top quality goalkeeping to deny what looked a likely goal. Ollie Watkins trying to spark the attack further into life here. He read that well, stopping any danger.
Good job he made the turn.
Ég vinn heldur bara enga skalla, sko.
Oh, what a wonderful challenge.
Hvað er ég að gera?
Salzberger fekk bara heilablóðfall á boltan, sko.
This could get interesting. Chance to get back in this. It's gone out, and it's a corner. It's been delivered. Still trouble here.
Auka dómari.
Not intercepted. Great reading of the game. Watkins.
Dabba.
Lovely, incisive ball. And further clear they go.
Aftur stöngin inn.
Throwing this one away.
Rodrigo
Here's the
Homer.
replay, and just look how quickly they
Check out
break
Marquinhos.
forward once they win the ball back. And then what a finish. That's been hit with such power and pace. The keeper has no time to react. It's a brilliant strike.
Var það screamer? Var það bara 12 goals?
Edging ever closer to goal here.
Það Crystal Palace,
That
Carabao.
is missed by quite a distance.
Ef við vinnið þann leik væri hættur í þessum mótið, sko. Það ertu bara bestur í þessu leik.
Hún var að tapa.
And it's not clear yet. Oh, that's fantastic. That's next level keeping. Into the box it goes. And they've got it back now. Bell. Could be setting something now. Now there could be an opportunity to counter. That's a lovely ball. There might be something building now. A quick break, always good to see. The finish, not so much.
Yeah, just that final shot. that wasn't quite good enough.
Sáttarburger.
Allowed to go a long way with this. Just needs the composure now. Oh, he's got to it.
Yeah, quick off his line, read the shot well, and made a very good save.
Under a little bit of pressure, he's managed to put it wide.
Yeah, but in the end, I think the defender does enough to make it very difficult for him.
Ollie Watkins. They need to be better on the ball than that. I'm hearing that there's been a goal in one of the other games. Over to you, Alex, for the update.
Yeah, second one for Hull City. They're now behind by 1 with 74 minutes played.
Thanks, Alex.
Var Alex Scott í match commentary?
Ekki núna, nei.
Stóð það match commentary Alex Scott?
Já, það er hringi en eitthvað, hvað er að gerast í þessu leik? Ég held að maður ráði þig ekkert, sko.
And somehow he saved it at full stretch. And he's made a real difference today.
Þessi Jones í þessum sköllum. Það er þessi þroskaður,
To
sko.
bring something positive to the game now, as shown here.
Well, as you can see, he just hasn't had enough touches in the key areas, and that's one of the reasons they're losing this game at the moment.
And we're now inside the final 10 minutes. Over to Alex Scott now. She's got a goal at Sheffield United to report.
Yeah, it's a goal for Sheffield United. The goalkeeper has spilled it back into the danger area, and he is there to slot the ball into the back of the net nicely. They're back in this now with 80
Hold on, chance. And they went too soon. It's offside. And here comes a change. What a chance here. Oh, excellent reflexes.
Well, I always fancy him to save that one. He's really good in those situations.
Oh, that's some stop. He read that perfectly. And cleared behind for another corner. Well, maybe he was distracted, but that's a miss.
Yeah, that was a good contest in the air.
Hvað er þetta að vera harfi gæðir? Ég var á svona 30 skallamörk. úr hótnum.
Ég að tapa 1-0.
Well, the fans are happy, and they should be as we approach full time. A really impressive performance here.
Well, what an
Ég segja að það var svona
excellent
hálft
performance
stig
this
fyrir
has
gæðin
been.
sem
They've had
kemst
complete
minna í
control
Karabaka.
for most of the game. Their movement, clever passing and
Það
energy
hálft stig
have been
fyrir
a joy to
FA
watch.
Cup og
It's been a
síðan
really
næstu
good
sem
win for them.
hálft stig fyrir Karabá.
This might be promising.
Varstu líka stig fyrir
Ball to
15
the good
assist og
now.
gaur og
Any ideas of this being a
Hvað ég að fara á
contest surely
15
over?
assist?
samt er komin á 13 ár.
Það 4-0 grunur.
Well, here's the goal again, and it's
Yeah,
a
Tyrese
really
Campbell
nice
is
ball
shit.
through. The vision to set up the
Get close.
chance is outstanding, and once he gets on,
Er hann 90 pace þegar líka?
it past the keeper with great technique.
Af hverju
What an
ætti hann
emphatic
ekki
finish that
fyrir
is.
Ég það ekki.
Devlin. No stopping him yet. Puts the ball into the
Offside.
box.
Finn fyrir að þessi Premier League lið
And
sko.
that's the final whistle. A
Yeah.
positive result, at least as far as the home fans are concerned. What did you make of their performance?
Töðugsending.
You got time for just a few questions?
Þú ert náttúrulega ekki með Carrick Factor sko.
Það er rétt.
Thank you so much for your time.
Rókur.
Það er komin desember og ég er 13. sæti.
Það er bara nú að setja. Bara umspill.
Já, það er næst í 10 stig í það sko. Það er 9 stig í það. Ég er kukt.
Lessara svakalega janúar glugga sko.
Já, mega pening. Þeir eru að selja í Centerbackina
Heldur að selja hann?
í janúar, það getur ekki. Er það hægt?
Já.
Ég getur klóst í gyrnunett eftir þessa viku.
Seg útgjald.
Grímur, þú ert að sofa 2 gælum með meðalaldurinn 30. Hvað gerur?
Það er ekki bara 22 og 8 ára.
Ég veit bara að setja hérna 30 með barninn í sér.
Það er lúphól.
Eða lúppála.
Hvað sagði þér hérna? Hvað sagði þér hérna? Bara Eyður eða Elís?
Elís Notzi.
Hvað sagði hann?
Ég
10
man
og 10 mátt eiga restina.
Það.
Já.
Þannig að þú fær eina 10 líka.
Já.
Það eiga restina. Juicy guy. Þú ert algjör Elís.
Það er svo úkistuður sko. Ertu að fara að selja Kubasi? Má segja hvernig var að selja hann á? Hann er ekki bara hækkaði vermið og það...
Ég er að fara að selja hann.
Tjekka hvernig var að
Hvað
selja
er að verða miðin á hann að verða eftir svona 2 ár?
Örgulega mikið, en hann er að fara að koma þar úr Championship í Premier League.
Já.
Hótti ekki að vera með hann í fyrsta lagi.
Jú. borgaði fyrir hann? Hvað sé ég það í Office?
Skot. Það er líka komin að hækka mikið prósent. Nei.
Ég bara finn hann ekki. Ég finn hann ekki. Já. Hann er metinn á 42. Keypti ég hann eitthvað mikið meira?
50 að fara eitthvað meira sko. Jones.
Það er engin verð með á hann. Það er eitthvað Luke Chambers á láni og eitthvað sem er metar á 2 millur.
Já, ég veit.
Og strækir líka sem metar á 1,2. Annar strækir metar á 1,7.
Sjáðu rætmyndin sem við hefum. Ég var alveg að hugsa að recalla á lána en það er ekki realistic sko.
Hver er það? Abder?
Já, hvað skot. Húla.
Markmaður minni mittan á 34. Hann er bara hækki í 81% í market value. Verður það eitthvað?
Það var að selja hann í janúar að nota Kaminski.
Ándjúks.
Kaminski er góður sko. Gaur, full á varrar og skóru þessu sko, ég trúi þessu ekki maður.
Er Salzburg búin að hækka 14%? Mora er búin að hækka 33%, hann er mittan á 28. Hvað er það eitthvað? Haraldsson er bara yfir sama verð.
Svona að kenna þessu er kaupan.
Kvenda er bara einhver 47% mittan á 28 miljonir. Já, að ræða það eitthvað. Herru, Sörksi er bara hækka 29%. Hvað regla er þetta?
Já, það er á fúla.
Og Sörksi er bara kaupin, eða?
Er það betur en Watkins?
Nei, það veist bara ekki. Ég ætla bara að nota henni kam, sko. Já, er ég að fá hann að vinna það? Mér átt að 9 stig, right now. Slæði ekki hendinu við 12 stigum í röð, sko.
Well, from the very first day, this manager has been all about building a team. And the way the fan support improves, he's got everything right so far. Well, hello to you and welcome to another exciting game brought to you by EA TV. I'm Guy Mowbray and it's a pleasure to be joined by Stuart Robson in the commentary box. And we have championship action on the way. It's Charlton Athletic.
Ég var að glum fleiri stið ef gæðin mínu var ekki alltaf þreyttur ykkur næsta leik. Ég ekki að taka þetta af.
Particularly in those central areas. Whichever team wins more of those battles will win the game.
Er það hægt?
Possession lost and won.
Heldig.
Here's how Middlesbrough line up.
Rangur.
Well, in this 4-5-1 shape, it'll be interesting to see how close the wide midfield players get to their main striker. Will they stay wide or play
Menar
through
vi gera
the
það
inside
NFL.
right and inside left positions? We'll have to wait to see how it develops.
Yes! Jættefli.
Taking a chance and met by solid goalkeeper.
Þetta er Crystal Palace.
Ég bara yfirspilaði í seinna leik þegar við yfirspilum í fyrri.
They decide against
Þú
putting
ert
it
ég
into the
alltaf
box.
létt, sko.
Oh, a drop in focus and it results in the end of the attack.
Er heima þetta líka?
Þú ert að setja þína gæði svona 30 og tölunni 60.
Zirkzee. Working the ball really nicely.
Ég er vítringin líka í þess bara.
This for the lead. Oh, it's in! An early opener to
Champions
get the
League
game
er það
going.
í Premier League.
Hver er að setja hann?
Sirksi.
Var þetta lið búið til eftir Sir Bobby Charlton?
Under so much pressure, but his strength just allows him to hit through the ball cleanly. It's an excellent goal.
Now there's been a goal in this Sheffield United game and Alex Scott can tell us about it.
It's a goal for Sheffield United.
Thank you.
Scored the opener here with the
Af hverju voru ekki Salzburg?
As ever, thank you, Alex. Oh, that's been won really smartly.
Nei, liðið sem hann á hérna Gary Neville og Paul Scholes og eitthvað.
Salzburg.
Já, Salford.
Expect him to probably stop that. Into the box it
Þeir eru að fara
goes.
í vítspilinu.
But they could still do
Fra
something
Holland.
here.
Svo ekki nörd eftir að velja kickers. 6-7, er ég farin hér ykkur? Já, hann er 45 í penalties. Heyr þetta ógeðslega þýska drasl. Sæll, þurftir ekkert að kaupa markmann eða? Jordan Henderson. $45 í penalties. Það sést. Dalviti. Lest fulla greið bara klúra þessu. Mórutin bara í klessu. Fulla? Það er ekki að klára þetta. Jensen. Það er ekki byggar hafa.
Ha?
Það er ekki byggar hafa.
Neip. Já, ég fæ allar hvíld.
And the cross is blocked. Aidan Morris. In the right position to cut out the pass. Moving it quickly and moving forward. Surely now And he's got another. 2 for the game.
Hver hann heitur?
Zirkzee.
Well, as the replay shows, this is all about his ability to find space in the box, which then makes the finish look so much easier. That's good play from him.
So the lead is now 2 as the game restarts. Hayden Hackney. That's a good ball. The ball won back. Nicely played.
Nej!
Hayden Hackney. Target. And on to Hackney.
Hvað Svenni?
Riley McGree.
Taxa.
That set up the chance. And that's where it ends.
Yeah, just stopped it in its tracks there.
Hann bara Mother's Milk?
Tony.
Whittaker.
And Frenchie.
Now with Britain.
Frenchie is
like
a few.
here.
Flame.
En Flamer?
And that's really useful defending. And here we go, time for the transition.
Man ekki tí.
Joshua Zirkzee.
Með svarta gæðan.
A turnaround in possession, excellent positioning.
Veistu hvað þessi leikari gerði það á hann leikið sér þáttur?
Goal at Sheffield United. Over to Alex for more.
Nei, já. Hann var að vinna fyrir hér, hann að grýta palestísku börnum frá heimilinu sínu.
Aha.
Jep.
A lifeline in this game, and surely momentum is with them now.
Var að vinna fyrir herinn eða eitthvað.
Mór allir niðri bara á gamla.
Hvað mér?
Tappa. Já, ég að tappa.
Já, hinn voru að skora á mér.
Whittaker. I'm afraid that's careless. There's a bit of belief in this move. Oh, what a chance! No, that's superb from the defender.
Well, he really did get his team out of trouble there.
Hákon var ekkert búinn að vera spes.
Britain.
Það er ekki mikill pace á honum, sko.
Hann er líka calm.
Nei, left wing kemur.
Now with Whittaker.
Heitir hann í amnestan. Tækning sér calm.
Aidan Morris. Conway. Hackney. Oh, he's done well to get past his man.
Men að Zirkzee er striker, hann er
A chance to cross here.
Flórisaði kann.
It's a near post delivery. Well watched by the goalkeeper.
Zirkzee startar þetta með Móra.
Bara hinn er þreyttur, hinn er alltaf þreyttur þessum Móra.
And there's the restart. Off we go again.
Og svo næst sem ég var að spila sem United, hann Bruno var aldrei þreyttur, sko.
Ég er að tapa 2-0.
Spila ekki alla leiki í alveg.
In another game, and Alex can give us the details.
It's a goal for Preston North End. It's now 1-0 with 48 minutes on the clock.
Kallið hann bara í Móras.
Defended, but behind for a corner.
Danger hasn't gone away yet.
It's put into the middle. The corner hasn't amounted to much.
Nú voru þetta gerðist þessi hér. Losing streak þangað í desember.
And it's been cut out. There's the turnover. Bell. Now with Whittaker. Lenihan. And on to Britain. Aidan Morris. And on to Hackney. Now I wonder where this is going. And it's opened up. Well, he's been lively, hunting for his second, but it's been
could earn another one there. He's playing well, no doubt about that.
Well, he's played a starring role up to this point. He's been wonderful to watch.
Well, he's been brilliant. He finishes goals really well. He's shown a great awareness of how to find space, and his movement has caused him all sorts of problems. Surely he'll get his hat-trick in the second half.
Nej, Mila satt det, Håkon.
Under so much pressure.
How come?
Callum Britton.
Var þetta bara poetry hjá mér í gær?
Tommy Conway. And the forward progress continues.
Þetta fílaði þér.
Flag up here, offside. He's had a terrific influence on the game, but now being called off after a job well done.
Lélegt maður.
Joshua Zirkzee.
Þetta bara veggur. Mátt að rætt mitt og glata.
Genuine chance. Kicked out, but for how long? Oh, superb reflexes. It's played in now.
Hvað vantaði þér?
Rætt mitt.
Ég veit það. Þetta hérna láni bara.
Má það ekki, búið með lánum mitt. Bara 1 lán og 1 free agent á glugga.
Láttu ekki taka gauðra af láni?
Ég held að hann alltaf læginn fljótur.
Það ekki rætt í þessu lið. Nei! Jafntefli. Enn eitt skít á jafntefli.
Ég næpar ekki boltan þessu.
Haraldur!
Loads of room here. Now this has to be. And a magnificent.
Guður, þú verður að sitja, sko.
Yeah, good positioning, excellent speed off the line, and a top-class stop. Brilliant stuff.
That's not properly away yet.
Jesus.
Oh, it must be here. A brilliant stop to keep things all square.
What a brilliant save. That's such a pivotal moment.
And they've gone with a short one. Could be a chance to win the game here. Delivered into the box. Headed away, but not far.
Ertu lélegur?
And this could be. Top goalkeeping stretched everything to get there. Well, the manager's now making a double change. Unable to find anyone with that. There's a good feel to this attack. The ball is lost, and the chance has gone too. Joshua Zirkzee. There's good width to this attack now. Now the play it goes for a throw-in. Oh, brilliant anticipation.
Read it really well.
Trying to spark the attack further into
Ég þýður annars centerback, sko.
The keeper.
Well, that has just about kept his team in it here. That's a remarkable save from that sort of distance.
Oh, maður, ég næ ekki að skora!
Það er jafntefli.
Just a moment of your time.
Já, takk lataði leikur. Ég ætla nú aðeins að fara yfir hérna sépistöðuna, sko. Hérna sem er 5 í pace, sko.
Nota Clark í right back og Sortaga en center back. Eða bara Chambers center back.
Svo þetta Bell bara þarna í CB.
Fyrir að vera að vinna, hann skal dóla, sko. Hvað lélegur. Og hann er bara sloppinn.
Chambers er 67 pace, sko.
Það er gott með center back.
Nei, það er left back.
Hann getur spilað center back.
Ég ætla bara ekki að nota hann. Ég ætla að nota Edwards frekar.
Ég er að tapa 3-0.
Þessi getur spilað left back, hann er 98 í pace. Grímur Fevrier, rætmyndin, hann er 91 í pace, rætmynd.
Já, hann er fljótur, sko, hann bara getur ekkert fram á það.
Nei, ég ætla að setja hann í left back.
Crazy er að tapa 3-0, sko. Gæti annars verið svona 4-3, sko.
Ég ætla að breyta stöðuna hans í left back, maður sjá. Hvað er þetta neglið, maður? Það. Breyta hann í fullback. Var það grótart það?
Hvað er, ég skil ekki hvernig skor ekki, sko. Það er crazy, sko. Þessi Cooper er búinn að velja allt. Ég held að Cooper er maður leiksins, sko. Held ég að markmaður maður leiksins voru að vinna 3-0. Það er hvað með þessu. Guður, þú kannt ekki að breyta yfir. Farð í position og gera R1.
Ó.
Ég var að segja þér þetta í gær, sko.
DJ, one for the bam bam, damn bam, damn damn. Og hvað Salzburg er fljótur. Þegar ég var startað Mitchell í Tjepi eða Cody er alltaf bara 43 í pace, sko. Ég held að Bell verður alveg sexy í skipið, sko.
Segðu?
Ég held að Bell verður sexy í skipið.
Hver er Mitchell? Ég veit hvað þetta er. Af hverju þetta start á honum?
Pace.
Hvað mikið per?
67.
Notaði Campbell bara.
Ríkur það.
Sem ekki með andlit.
Akkur við?
Já, Campbell.
Nei, trist á Mitchell.
Crazy.
Og allir þreytt. Birmingham, þetta tap.
The pressure is mounting. The fans are really starting to lose patience. A warm welcome on what is a perfect day to watch football. I'm Guy Mowbray, and it's a pleasure to be joined by Stuart Robson in the commentary box. And we've got live championship football coming up. It's Birmingham City, and they face Charlton Athletic.
Yeah, thanks as always, Guy. We've got two good teams here, a great atmosphere and plenty to look forward to. This should be really entertaining.
This is the visitors' team for today.
Well, they're matching up here, so midfield domination will be key to winning this game.
Doherty.
If they can manage that, it will then allow their fullbacks to join their attacking play.
Well, that was probably the right pass, but hit with too much on it. I'm going to hand to Alex Scott now with an update from one of the other games.
Yeah, it's a goal for Bristol City. It was a long-driven cross, and he was never going to miss from there. They've scored the opener here with 8 minutes played.
Nice one, Alex. Thank you. Marvin Dorsch. And the ref has played advantage here. And that has been adjudged to be offside.
Já, var þetta advantage að vera offside? Heimskuleikur.
Kanya Fujimoto. Perfectly anticipated, really well won. Good work to beat the challenge. And what a challenge!
Oh, top-class defending there.
No sign of stopping yet. Nicely played, saw the threat and stopped it. Fujimoto.
Ertu Fujimoto?
Kanya Fujimoto. Pass picked off. Moving it quickly and moving forward. Oh, great work. What's next? Asking quite a lot to score from there, and that's missed by quite a bit.
Well, his teammates aren't particularly happy.
Well, the teammates aren't particularly happy. Så kommentatorn är där. Scheisse!
This looks too easy. It looks far too easy.
Nej.
There's room to do something here. Possession lost just at the point of something happening.
No chance of getting through on that occasion, was there?
Good run. Now, can he pick out the right option? This for the lead. And there's the opener.
Hver har sett det?
Important first goal of the game.
Lucas Moura.
Lucas Moura, jag pratar inte om det så här.
Well, here's the replay and
Sjá
just look how
Karl
quickly they break forward once they win the ball back. And once he gets onto it, he just smashes it past the keeper with great technique. What
Hver
a
þetta?
classic finish that is.
Gara,
And the game restarts.
ég var að ríða í gær sko. Svo bara drast ég.
All the info is
Það
out.
byrði
A goal for West Brom. It's now
Svo er hann
1-0
að horrorstreama
with
núna.
27 minutes played.
Cheers, Alex.
Veist ekki hver það er? Sjá Lukas Moura.
Oh, he's done well to get past his man.
Ömulig sending.
Really well played.
Það átti að vera á
Taking
annan.
the attack.
Yeah, that was a good interception.
Wagner. Pass misplaced, the ball lost. That has gone out. It'll be a throw. Ollie Watkins.
Nei,
Ball
Ollie.
given away. Trying to get creative from here.
Ég bara sætla verið að þjættur í vördinni Grímur með nýja manninn hana.
Right to
Chambers.
say Samuel.
Já.
Nei, Mitchell.
Því ekkert að vera með 43 pace og lélan
They need
gaur
to
sko.
find an equalizer.
Það myndi sleppa þetta væri Harry sko.
And for all the keeping
Er hann
of
að
the
fara að
ball,
koma í
they've gone
janúar, eða?
nowhere.
Nei, hann er 30 pace
They
maður.
could get caught out on the break here.
Patti ég
Good
skattamarkið
ball
sem
in
var hann
behind.
skora.
And he's through
Já,
here.
djóks.
And there it is. He's doubled up for the day.
Hver er með double?
Hvað? Er ég bara með ofnami fyrir markinu eða?
Grímur Lukas Moura var að setja hann aftur.
Well, just look at this again. The speed of
That was
counter-attack
a
is so
double.
impressive. And then through on goal, he just goes for power and smashes it past the keeper. There's no stopping that. What a
Bara
great
kaupa hann
finish.
líka það.
Wagner.
Já, þetta er svona 5 ár.
Akkur gefðu mér ekki 500 miljonir í budget maður.
Fujimoto.
Þá var ég bara með ógist lið.
Working hard to win it back there.
Haldur þú með þetta lið eftir 200 þá ættir það bara að auka
Might get
300
caught on the break here.
Nei, það myndi bara vænt kaupa dýrri gauðra.
Hvað er það gaman?
Þetta er ekkert eitthvað svakalega peningur í dag, 200 miljonir í boltanum sko.
Intercepted. Great reading of the game.
Sér að ég er með eitthvað stjörnu sko.
Into the area
No,
it
no.
goes.
Nú, hver er stjörnan?
Ollie
And
Watkins.
that's going to be it for
Ja,
the
ein
first
stjarna.
45 minutes.
Og Kurbasi.
Hann er ekkert stjarnan, hann er 18 ára.
84 ára.
The action restarts.
Hann er alltaf þreyttur, hann er ekkert að spila.
Er hann alltaf þriður?
Já.
Put into the middle. That's how to clear it.
Næst er ég bara að teka stamina bara gaurum sko.
Það er Andri Lukas og bara setja hann hóðum mér.
Fujimoto.
Johnson.
Lukas Moura,
Kai Wagner.
hann skoraði ekki mútið mér. Í hvað liðar hann aftur?
Osei Samuel.
Já. Ég er bara næst Alan Shearer
Down
það.
well.
Ég hugsa að koma bróður hans Daniel Tristan og
And
Johnson.
your complete coverage of the championship here on EA TV continues
Geta þær eitthvað?
as Birmingham face Sheffield United. Be sure to tune in for that.
Ha?
Daniel sem betri.
Hvað er hann gamall?
I'm hearing there's been a penalty in another match, so let's go to Alex for the details.
Þessi elst er ekkert spesialdi.
City awarded the penalty,
Andri Lukas.
and I think
Ja,
another
er þetta hann?
offside today because it's hit the bar and it's gone in. It's now 1-0 with 53 minutes played.
Þannig að náttúrulega ekkert rugg skóli sem voru í sko. Voru að, er í skólanum hjá Real og okkur kjæftaði sko.
To open it up.
Certainly look composed on the ball, don't they?
Þú bara eitthvað er einu sangiri.
Kannski það bera mig saman með það.
Nei, ég var að segja það.
Well, that's not going to cut it.
Ég næ bara ekki skora.
Right, Osei Samuel. Bit sloppy in possession. An hour played, 30 to go now. Wagner. That wasn't an easy one to keep in play. Space out wide, and they're using it. Bell.
Grímur Lukas.
Looks a good ball. And they're three in front.
Hver var að setja hann?
What a performance this has been so far.
How come?
Leo Sardar lyftir handlegginum. Þannig að hækki hvað ég verði þér núna. Yeah, how come?
Osei Samuel. Fujimoto.
Eins og breytti smettin á tú og taka turn the ball over.
That's one player beaten.
Alltaf sínt QB-inn í byrjun.
Oh, what a wonderful challenge. Could be a chance to break here.
Hanna kampen maður.
That's how to play it through. Maybe not. That was well read to cut it out.
Hann góður, fucking fljótur og
Now something's happened in one of the other matches. A goal.
Ég fann að starta honum á kantinum. Ja, Lukas.
Making a change here. It's put into the middle. Cleared, but not far enough. Able to skip past his man. Well, he really wound that up and was very close to scoring.
Yeah, you're right, guys. From there, that was a really good effort.
Nei, ég veit ekki, ég selja kannski Hákon bara.
Marvin Dorsch.
Mér vantar vingar frekar en Kam, sko. Just ég að spila... Já, ég veit. Ég samt að spila honum í vingar, sko.
Well, if they keep the ball, they win the game. It's simple. Kai Wagner.
Slangar mig að selja nýtt, sko.
They're in here. Still not dealt with. Oh, I don't...
Kampen líka með finesse shot trade, það ekki að sko.
Já.
That's a sensational save.
Það ég fucking markið.
Well, two substitutions being made here. And they've scored.
Auðvitað skorar og skalla.
Stadium jumping. Put into the box. Oh, it's a nightmare.
Ser svo skallan í mér.
It's a really good chance to score.
Það maður fyrir Ness í skallanum með það.
He's in here. Oh, he's done so well to get a hand to that. Delivered into the box. Well, plenty of power on the effort, but just wide. Goal kick it is. And they've kept it in just. And it's all over, with the away fans able to celebrate the win and the 3 points.
Well,
Lukas Mora með 2 og Hákon með 1.
Just a couple of questions for you. answering the questions.
Once to Birmingham.
Yep.
Rangur maður.
Herri, tjekkaði hennar leftback, hann er með 74 pace, Edwards.
Ég er náttúrulega bara leftback sem við erum að lána frá United.
Er Ramsey á láni?
Nei, hann heitir eitthvað Kólumbíu eða eitthvað. 1865 ára.
Tókstu hann á láni eða? Herri, ég held að Fevrier verður bara forever leftbackin minn, sko. Jú, ég held ég selji Xerxes. Fá með speedster striker sem getur spilað á vang líka. Þeir eru að kaupa Mbuemo eða? Nei.
Nei, ég er bara að tapa. Tapa 4 leik með röð.
Svona var ég í gær. Þú fyrir komin á sama stað og ég var. Herri, ég ætla að searcha hérna Speedster Skáta.
Selja Xerxes, ekki Háká.
Það er fínt að vera með 2 cams. Hvað er ég að gera? Ekkert að heyra skjót. Hvað er það? Hvernig býja eftir til það drastlana? Þessi gól, William Osula.
Bara í það hring.
Hann er 6'4" með 83-93 pace.
Strækjar.
Eða, með strækjar.
Já, með svona sexy og...
Ég er að fara að selja sexy. Með þetta fester, gaur. Hvað er þetta?
Nei, það var skáld.
Come here.
Það eru instructions.
Hvað er
að segja? Ít á X. R1.
Já.
Og þú getur líka skáta frá þessum Emil og heppin hann land.
Come here.
Þú getur skáta land fyrir aðra tegund. Fyrir gauðra.
Hvernig vil ég pace? Það er ekki hægt. Hvernig getur það að velja eitthvað pace? Ég er að skáta Tyrkland. Ég er að skáta Tyrkland, Grímur.
Hann finnur gauður Tyrklandstundum. Finnur einhverja Tyrka.
Já, eitthvað Turkagúlu. Ég hvað liða af Turkagúlu.
Þú talar NBA-leikmanninn.
Já. Var hann á Tyrkland eða? Hvað?
Skýta.
Mói. Meira svona æla með raskatanu. Ertu bara Turkic Cube? Kanntu þið svæpir í þessu lagi? Yeah. Stuck. Stuck to backtrack, nick a bucket. Ég er í 12. sæti.
Well, the focus is on one man during the build-up here. All eyes are on him today, as we know exactly. Hello, and thanks for joining us live here on EA TV. I'm Guy Mowbray with the former Arsenal and West Ham midfielder Stuart Robson alongside me. We've got coverage of Championship football for you today. It's Charlton Athletic, and they take on Oxford United.
Well, both teams know they need to start the game well here. Try to dominate the midfield area and get their creative players on the ball. This should be an interesting game, I think.
And the referee signals advantage. It's a perfect threaded through ball.
You're a tar.
An early opener to get the game going.
Oxford er nært besta lið í deildina.
I believe there's been a goal in one of the other matches. Alex Scott with the details.
Víti.
For QPR, they're the first on the score sheet here with 8 minutes played.
And Alex will keep us updated. And they've got it back now. Served through on a plate here.
Hey!
He didn't miss by much.
Well, for a moment there, I thought he'd squeezed it in.
Something could be on with this. And the promise of something happening is over. Possession changes hands.
Ég fann grím í deildinni. Det er Kersmakker. Kemst þetta nafn á treyju?
Just a bit too much on it. Keeper's ball. Oh, brilliant anticipation.
Yes, such a clever reader of the game, isn't he?
Making decent progress here. An attack of genuine promise developing. Here we go! And that's a solid stop.
Fucking coming.
Goodrum. Promising looking ball. He's in here. Oh, he saved it.
Well, he's so hard to beat in these situations. It's brilliant goalkeeping.
A short corner taken. And it's on here. Really solid defending.
That's how to get a block in.
Nice pass and on their march. Opportunity here. Oh, what a miss.
Haraldsson.
Well, they certainly should be level. That was a great opportunity to score.
They've lost it, needlessly really. And news of a goal in one of the other matches. Over to Alex Scott.
It's a goal for Southampton. They're back level. It's 1-1 with 31 minutes played.
Thanks, Alex. On they go under no real pressure. And into the box it goes. Promising passage of play, but it's come to nothing. Struggling to keep it here. Teeing up the chance now. And that's where it ends.
Well, that's how to defend the edge of your box.
And he's pinged a beauty. Good positioning does the job. A short corner taken here. Put behind, and now they'll have to defend a corner. And trying his luck, and it's comfortably gathered. Now, here they go. Making good ground and still going. Chance to go level. And it's into the glass.
Sattelberg er svo lélugur sko.
Well, in the end, it's a fairly easy save for the goalkeeper, but really that should have been a goal.
Sammála.
Nei.
Hann er búinn á því.
Veistu?
And on that whistle, the first half comes to an end. And we're off for the second half. Really promising pass. And the goalkeeper gathers the ball in easily.
Jó, 90.
A really good interception to take the ball.
Lite av någon spel.
Promising move. Now what happens from here? Well, it looked promising, but only up to a point. Oh, that's been won really smartly. Brilliant. More of that, please. He's in here. And they've scored again. That puts them further in front. What a position to be in.
Nej, mycket. 2-0 om det också.
Yep.
Moving forward under no real
Bestir.
pressure. Good looking ball played in.
Gengur ekkert.
And it's ended
Eitthvað
up in the
kömming í
safe hands of the
markinu.
goalkeeper. And it's pinched Freddie's mind there. They could get caught out on the break here. And that might have ended up a lot better than it has. Now the play goes for a throw-in. The pass was read and the ball has changed hands. A sub about to come on. Oh, he's done well to get past his man. Great chance here. And that is a terrific save. And the ball comes in. And
Geggjaður skall.
reading of the game. A chance now for a quick transition.
Nei.
Brilliant anticipation. And no scraps for the attackers to feed off. Hung on to the ball well. Time to cross to Alex Scott for a moment. News of a penalty in another game.
Yes, it was Sheffield United that were awarded the penalty, but it was saved. The shot went straight down the middle, goalkeeper didn't even have to move. It remains 0-0 with...
Having a try. Really solid defending.
Þeir eru bara í Park the Bus.
That's a good ball. Possession lost and won. Zirkzee.
Glataðs hendingin.
Now with Brannigan. Looks a good ball. Good positioning, does the job. Making a change here. They opt to go short with the corner. Taken without any trouble. Okay, I think there's been a goal somewhere else. Here's Alex Scott.
Yeah, it's a
Minna máttugur. Ég með nægra báðum köntum.
Some good work to win it there. Lovely weighted pass. It's there! Hope restored! They're back in this game. So it's 2-1 as the ball gets rolling again.
Já, það bara sé sig með varnamann, sko. Hann labbaði bara í gegnum hann yfir að halda X inn á hann.
Nei, varstu búin að jafna?
Zirkzee. A good advantage played by the ref. Oh, could be here.
Sérðu það, bara ég ekki varnamann.
Oh, real opportunity. The goalkeeper more than ready for it.
Ég skora bara inn að 2.
Substitution coming up. With that sort of chance, you really ought to do a bit better. Making decent progress here. Just needs the composure now. It's there, and maybe there could still be something in this game. So it's 3-2 as the ball gets rolling again. Good chance here.
Hvar skorar það?
Two-goal cushion to rest on until the end. Well, that brings the match.
Já, ég allt í kjafti.
We just wanted to ask you a couple of questions.
Og lóðkið svo fucking glataður. Umulegur.
That'll be all, thank you.
Ertu að fara detta í janúargluggana?
Ég veit það ekki. Nei.
Hvað ertu?
Tuttugasta og sjötta.
DS?
Já.
Já, nei, þú ert bara víst ára þetta hérna.
with Jenny. Jenny, 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 Jenny.
Look, somewhere sunny, sweating with two my tummy. I'm eating ravioli and a pizza with the honey. I'm O for the week, you dummy. Tending her tone. Been a long week, she do not miss home. She's up in Marseille, France. It's 98 degrees, so the sunscreen on. My boo only like boutique hotels. I booked that cause Cornell. Poolside D&B, no sale. The sunset looks so pastel. For a little stamina, treated like 24 hours in a month. Don't know what this life will bring. If you're stressed out, let me hear you sing. I wanna go vacay. I wanna go vacay. I wanna go vacay. I wanna spend. I wanna go vacay. I wanna go vacay. I wanna go vacay. I wanna spend. Said what's that smell? It's LV. Just like this sweet, this ain't cheap. Room service fee, cappuccino with the feast. We only wearing rose for the whole week. We only wearing rose for the whole week. I'm on my Dua Lipa. I'm headed up the White Lotus for my favorite eater. 50-pound room I pack with the pro clubs. And the view from the room is a hairbrush. Midday, I forgot I'm in a little cup. Cucumbers on your eyes and a good rub. Yeah, the makeup took too long, we missed the rest. We don't give each other instead. Stressed out, so you wanna. I call my travel agent Carolyn for the. I wanna go vacay.
I wanna go cray cray. I wanna go vacay.
Brian Propperi.
Hvað
er vandamáli framlínan? Það fucking vörnin, sko.
Hvað vördinni?
Hvort það var 4 mörk á móti Oxford? Trúi ekki, skúrið bara strax.
Ég bara skora meira.
After days of anticipation, we're finally here. A truly well, hello to you and welcome to another exciting
I want to go cray cray.
by EA TV. I'm your commentator, Guy Mowbray, and I'm delighted to have Stuart Robson's expertise alongside me. And we have championship action on the way. It's Norwich City, and they face Charlton Athletic.
Well, both managers will be reminding their players of starting the game quickly, hitting the opposition back, playing the ball forward and regaining possession as quickly as possible. Hopefully we get a really good game here.
And the cross comes in.
Oh.
Pure instinct.
From that range, that's an incredible stop. What a piece of goalkeeping that is.
Erðu?
An early opener to get
Hann skallamark. Kane Ramsey.
Fyrsta markið þessu tímabili.
Líka á mínum.
Ég á lefti.
Það var bara Jordan á 5 sig í loftinu.
So it's 1-0 as the game restarts. It's the first time for these two managers to go up against one another, and neither wants to give an inch.
Well, they both know how they want to play, but who will come out on top? This should be very interesting.
Ollie Watkins. Possession lost
Ja.
and won. They found a way through. Oh, who wants that one? Oh, look at this.
Lélega móttakan.
Put it away.
Thank you.
That was wonderful defensive work.
Well, what a great piece of defending. That's a brilliant clearance.
Oh, chance here. Really solid defending.
Ertu?
Got so far,
Han
but no
mættur
end
líka.
result. Stacey. Good tackle, but it's gone out.
Ég segi að næst verður Blackburn Rovers sem á bara á 1 legend, Alan Shearer.
Schlupp. Oh, that's been won really smartly. And news of a goal in one of the other matches. Over to Alex Scott.
It's a goal for Bristol City. They've scored the opener here with 21 minutes played.
As ever, thank you, Alex.
Má ekki bara rennitakla hérna, hann sko hann eitt Ahmed.
But they need to find that extra bit of guile.
Chance to go level. Terrific bit of blocking. Bit of a squeeze on here.
Gefðu hann á Sirks! Ekki nigglað.
Good work, they've got it back. Drifting on and still going. But able to deal with the danger decisively, well defended. Now there could be an opportunity to counter. Well, I'm hearing there's been a goal in one of the other games. Alex Scott to fill us in.
It's a goal for Southampton. They've scored the opener with 32 minutes on the clock.
Thanks, Alex. Moving nicely and real purpose to this.
Hann þrennu.
Now, what can they do from here? And offside rules the assistant referee.
Tími ekki sælið 6, ég held ég láti Ollie Watkins fara.
Hvað ertu búin að segja alla gaurana bara?
Með alltaf fljótari strækir.
Ollie Watkins er ekki fljótari.
Positive wing play now.
77 pace.
Hann er múið skúra og skora, ekki bara vörð.
Oh, wonderful stop.
Yeah, what a save that was.
Yeah, they-
Brilliant reflexes from the keeper.
It's been delivered. Well, he couldn't
Kannski
get
vantar
free.
mig bara
He couldn't find the target.
með alltaf
Well, in the end, the
speedster.
defender just about did enough.
Ekki sem getur counterað. Þetta er karrickball, sko.
Rasmus Højlund.
Já. Hvað er hann speedster?
Kenny
Við
McLean.
tala bara 99 pace, sko.
Jeffrey Schlupp. A little careless there as the ball changes hands. Schlupp. Well, that's going to be all for the first half here at Carrow Road.
Það er 1-0 eftir eitt skallamark.
And the second half kicks off with 45 more minutes ahead of us.
Já.
Við erum bara að pressa með ekkert eðlilega sko. Á lína sko.
Zirkzee. An open invitation on the wing here. That's really well played, halting the attack.
Mann boltan í.
Yeah, that's the way to snuff out pressure.
Alveg vinst það. Pressa hann til.
There's loads of room here. That one's gone out. Throw in to come. A sub about to come on. McLean. Got in the way a bit.
Either of 60.
A goal elsewhere, and to give you all the info, here's Alex.
It's the goal for Preston North End. It's now
Hold on, chance. Another goal, and it's one that tightens their grip on this game.
Samt að selja Óli Watkins að taka skora 30 mörk. Sísoni.
Genaði ég ekkert.
Drengi.
Nei, hann hættur að skora það, menn ég held að enda með 11 mörk.
Well, let's look at this again, because the transition when the ball changes hands is so quick. And from there, he never looked like missing. That's a lovely goal.
Ég þarf bara Mo Salah.
As the ball gets rolling again.
Skora.
Já.
Emiliano Marcondes.
Já.
Stacey.
Hvað er náttúrulega speedy í 40 ára?
Passing and the movement is good here.
Hvað það er listi, hvað myndi fara í Tjaldum? Það er á 40, ég er farin í Tjaldum.
Well, that's defending of the highest quality.
Well, we have more championship coverage coming up for you here on EA TV as Norwich face Watford. Another game to hopefully whet your appetite. Could be a chance to break here.
Ég er ekki fílan þjóðara, sko. Hann er allt á hægri í CDM. Eða Austuríkismann.
Stacey.
Hann er geggjar. Stór.
Brilliant anticipation.
Hann vinnur enga skallabólta.
Geggjar sendingar mér. Ég held bara að ég misti þessu þjálfara.
Örugglega. Új, gerur austurískan. Það fyrir reka það núna.
Akkurri.
Nazi. Tekka skallan. Það er ekki skalli. Ramsey var sittar aftur, eða? Nei.
Well, those stats tell you everything. They're opening up the opposition at will, and while we've seen some really poor defending, their attacking play has been excellent.
Well, news coming through of a penalty in one of the other matches. Alex Scott can fill us in.
Yeah, it was a penalty for Southampton, and it's only gone and hit the bar, and it went in. It's now 4-0 with 60 minutes.
Svært.
A lifeline in this game. And
12 ára sveppa.
momentum is with them now. Incredible. Zirkzee.
Nei, ekki missi þetta niður núna, maður. Yes, on.
Good work to recover possession. Emiliano Marcondes. There's a chance for them to go now. And the counter fizzling out in the end. He's beaten his marker here. But that's excellent work to come and take the ball away. Zirkzee. Left the play. Emiliano Marcondes. Well, time ticking away, but there's still belief here. Well, it looked promising, but only up to a point.
Nei.
This has to be. Oh, it's in! With a timely equaliser.
Nei.
Well, it takes a lot of skill to get that right, and he's certainly got that. It's a brilliant bit of technique. What a good goal.
And we're back underway at 2-2 now. I believe there's been a goal in one of the other matches. Alex Scott with the details.
It's another for Southampton. He shot far post, the keeper parries it, but the rebound has been put in.
Fasi Austuríkismaður.
5-0 with under 5 minutes left to play.
Nice one, Alex. Thank you.
Það var ekkert hann.
I'm afraid that's careless.
Víst.
Nei.
Now there could be a chance to counter.
Hann
He has to get back at pace. Will it look?
Hvað rétt?
But came to nothing in the end.
Búin að vera að drulla yfir og einhverjum svo innan.
Dokkert ég að fara í rusli, sko.
Ég var líka bara hann ekki sæt, sko.
Til að tapa sér leik.
Lovely ball. This could lead to something. And they come edging closer to a piece of late drama.
Já, þetta ekki neitt. Hann heitir Ahmed.
Ég held ég búin að selja hann Doherty.
Já, kemur ekki óvart.
Terrific bit of blocking.
Játtöfli. Græn lítið á því.
Some questions regarding the match?
Ekki að vera komin janúar hér?
Jú.
Shit, það voru að kukka eitthvað.
Thank you, that's all the questions we've got for you.
Ég veit það ekki, sko. Það ekki komið í janúar.
Á Portsmouth.
Spila við það aftur. Hvað er það? Er búa, þarf maður ekki spila tvisvar öll liða?
Já.
Þessi Doherty með að fara í rusli, sko.
Drullu greið Austurík sem hann ekki svona inn.
Það reynir núna.
Ég trúi ég er að koma tveitt. Sheffield Wednesday.
Nothing that gets fans talking like a key player being left out. A warm welcome to you from Fratton Park. I'm Guy Mowbray and I'm joined by the ever-knowledgeable Stuart Robson. And we have championship action on the way. It's Portsmouth and they face Charlton Athletic.
Yeah, thanks as always, Guy. We've got two good teams here, a great atmosphere and plenty to look forward to. This should be really entertaining.
Ég held ég selji Lucas að ég get nota Cirksey bara í kam og...
Well, they defend those areas really well.
Oh, good vision.
Hákam í backup.
Here's the Portsmouth.
Það mikið pening fyrir Lucas.
Well, in this 4-5-1 shape, it will be interesting to see how close the...
Oh, what an opportunity this is!
Ha!
Well, I always fancy to save that one. He's
Fyrir.
really good in those situations.
Ekki svo mikið eða.
On they go under no real pressure. But not the end result they wanted from an encouraging position.
Oh my
God. It's all a bit too crammed in the thick of it here. Well, the manager's had the upper hand in past encounters, hasn't he?
Yeah, but I'm not sure that means too much today. This is a totally different game.
Fulla!
getting the fans
Ja.
interested now.
Breytir um CDM.
Good work to recover possession.
58 og geggjað.
Beautifully weighted ball, and the game will stop. Offside. And it must be. Unbelievable reflex save.
Well, that's what you want from your keeper. Stops like that.
Only half the job done there. He'll have a go. And good work from the keeper to get across and deal with the danger. And out of play for another corner. Well, he's a player that many have been talking about. Will we be talking about him for the right reasons today, though?
Well, he's been brilliant for them. He's their leading goal scorer, and his general play in the top third of the pitch has been so clever. I'm really looking forward to seeing him play today.
That's a lovely ball. There might be something building now. In the right position to cut out the pass. The referee not happy with the challenge.
Can you please make yourself known to the nearest steward? Thank you.
That's good defending.
Well, I have to say, that was a terrific block.
Hvaða tún á það sem?
And the defence regains control. A goal elsewhere, and to give you all the info, here's Alex.
It's a goal for Norwich City. They've scored the opener here with 26 minutes played.
Thanks, Alex, as always. Pass as precise as they come. It's a pretty good save by the keeper. Corner kick played in. Oh,
Ah.
everything about that's wrong. Poor example of how to
Ég
have
spila
the
på
ball.
það núna.
Ég sá Monster ekki að það.
Jú, veit það. Ertu geðvik?
And ready to intercept there.
Fólkið er gefa vilt að gauðra maður.
Marlon Pack. Now I wonder where this is going. Oh, maybe a bit of space now. And it's taken away. Terrific.
Yeah, great tackle, wasn't it?
It's played into the box. And there's no threat this time. A big development in one of the other games. Alex Scott has news of a penalty.
Yep, Hull City were awarded the penalty. He sent the keeper totally the wrong way with that one. It's now 1-1 with 37 minutes played.
Thanks to Alex for the update. Marlon Pack. This is a positive-looking move. It's a corner, and possibly the chance to go in front.
Well, the crowd know that set pieces could be their best chance. Just listen to that reaction.
That's gone over the line for a goal kick. Oh, that's really well cut out. Colby Bishop. This is looking good. What next? And that's where it ends. To put them ahead. It's in. 1-0. And that could change the shape of the game.
Hver að setja?
Well, here it is again, and the pace in which they break forward is devastating. It's so hard to defend against, and the finish is just as good. That's an excellent goal.
Goal for Charlton Athletic.
And that brings to an end the first half here at the... Off we go again. The second half begins. for them now. So the chance now to extend the lead from this corner. And there's going to be a change now. And ready for it coming his way. And that's gone out for another one. Corner again. No danger from that one. And it's held on to comfortably.
Þú bara það drullu yfir Austríkismann, svo hann bara ekki inn á.
Now with Bishop. Just a reminder that we have more championship coverage coming up for you here on EA TV as Portsmouth face Bristol City. All the action live on that one. Well, big news. A penalty has been awarded in one of the other games. Alex Scott with the details.
Well, Derby County.
Ég mæli með þessum Mitchell, sko. Hann góður í CB. Það bara einu leikur sem ég vinn, það með honum í CB.
Cheers, Alex. Unable to find anyone with that. Oh, nice vision in that pass. They're in here. Another goal.
Check out the mark.
One that tightens their grip on this game.
Well, let's see this again. This is counter-attacking football at its very best. And the finish is clinical. He just makes it look so easy, doesn't he?
They keep moving the ball, and whilst they do, they'll still be leading the game. Well, that's not going to cut it. And it's stopped straight away. Top-quality save. The marker done for. Takes the shot. Oh, what a save. Razor-sharp reaction. Substitution coming up. A short corner taken here.
Já, það er bara selna móra mann, alltaf þreyttur, það ekkert varið í það. Sammála það. Krimi Jensen.
Sæði.
Ha.
Sæði.
Well, could this be the turning point? The fans are certainly hoping so.
Sæður.
Guð mér ámáttur. Ég sagði,
That's a good ball.
Hvað sagði?
Well, comfortably off target in the end. That'll be a goal kick.
Yes,
Well,
ja,
as a
dan
defender, if you
90.
can't win it, you have
Zit er
to
een score
make it
of de
difficult
90ste.
for your opponent, and he certainly did that.
Ég sagði,
So 20
Galo,
minutes
heyrðu það
left of this
ekki.
game.
Fjórða skiptið.
Put into the middle. Well, a promising attack, but
Já, nú voru að spóla tilbaka og horfa á markið mitt.
moving forward under no real pressure. And that's where it ends. Just heard of a goal somewhere else, so over to Alex Scott. Alex, what's happened?
Nei, trúi sig. Ég trúi sig, ég fekk marka á mig 90 staðinu.
Hold on, chance.
Ég hefði bara það ekki neglið rautt, sko.
The corner taken short. Play will restart with a goal kick. Starting to get interested here.
Hvaða mark?
Cross into the middle.
Bara að setja markið.
Well, that promising attack has been stopped. Swift. And they need to be better on the ball than that.
Fake shot og mark, það var svo síðan. Olli Watkins mættur það.
He's in here.
Já, herri, ég var til að selja hann.
It's there. And maybe.
Það er 2-1. Og núna skoraði bara 3 og 90 eins og alltaf.
Harry Clark. They might be in. Well, it was looking good, but ultimately nothing doing.
They got everything right there.
Tölvan fer bara kóka en síðustu 10 mínútur.
Here's Alex. Thanks to Alex for the update. Working hard to win it back there. He's beaten his marker here.
Ay,
Oh, what a save to keep them in front.
Yeah, that's brilliant, and probably just won the game for them.
Here it comes. Well, that's a really terrific
Ten
play
years.
under a fair bit of pressure. Watkins.
Flautað af.
And it's all over.
Hvað sætir því?
Hérna ekki. Svona 12 eða eitthvað.
Can we ask you a question?
Við vantar alveg að auka miðjumann, sko. Gera ekki að styrsta miðju, sko.
Thank you, that's all the questions we've got for you.
Let's shake that booty. Okay. Herra kom Janogrun. Fullt að görum að fara sem búin að selja það. Ég er spáð að selja Kubarsi bara.
Já, varnamann.
Já, treyta hann upp í. Þannig að William Oswala.
Hver er það?
Striker í Newcastle frá Danmarku. 6'4".
Gaur, ég er ekki múin að starta boltan í 12 mínútur. Crazy, sko.
Crazy, sko. Ég er búinn að finna 2 speedstera. Antoni Musaba frá Fenerbahce. Það er svo góður. Já. 25 ára, 6 foot, pace 84-94. Já. Svo meira spennt að vera William Oswala, sko. Fóttu eitthvað, the team just got him. Ég er að fá að skáta, sko.
Nei, gaur. Nice.
það Charlton?
Coventry.
Já.
Þú veist að það Charlton?
Já, ég er með 32 stig. Þyrfti að vera með svona... Guð, ég er aldrei að fara að ná upp úr þessu deild, sko.
Match day is finally here with fans streaming into the stadium. Hello and welcome. Hopefully you're able to stay nice and warm wherever you're tuning in from. I'm Guy Mowbray, your commentator, with the professional's view provided by Stuart Robson. And let's ring in the new year with some live football. What are we going to get from this one?
Well, let's just hope the players weren't at the same Hogmanay party as you. Otherwise, we could be in for a really lacklustre performance. But this actually has the makings of being a really good encounter.
Ég var að spá í, sko.
Hann er bestur í liðinu.
Nei. Hver finnst þið að vera bestur í liðinu minn, Gunnar?
Austuríkismaðurinn.
Já.
Sætlberger.
Ákveðið skellur.
Nei, bestur örugglega
Getting closer.
Hákon. Sirksi.
Ja.
Oh, that's been won really smartly. From Mason.
Voru það bara stjórn kaup, eða?
Tatsuhiro Sakamoto. And on to Sim.
Hann sloppinn, Hamar.
That's good stuff. Brilliant. Top stop.
Well, in 1v1 situations, he just makes it so difficult for the attacker. What a good goalkeeper he is.
Oh, he's done well to get past his man. And he's won the ball to stop the goal.
Það var ógeðslega liðið Coventry.
Well, he's a player that many have been talking about. Will we be talking about him?
Bara
For the right reasons today, though.
Well, I don't think too many players can strike the ball as well as he can. He just hits it so cleanly, which makes him dangerous today.
And the keeper collects under some pressure. I'm going to hand to Alex Scott now with an update from one of the other games.
Yeah, it's a goal for Middlesbrough. They're the first on the score sheet here with 60 minutes played.
Alex there ensuring we don't miss a thing. Staying patient and the defence staying in shape. Now, what can they do from here? Oh, real opportunity! Terrific bit of blocking. Winning the ball back and in a promising position. Kitching. Rodoni. Now with Mason Clark.
Well, the visitors very much dictating the tempo over the last 15 minutes or so, and they're playing really well and creating chances. It's surely only a matter of time before they take the lead here.
Now he's in, and they've scored to take a lead that's more than warranted.
Strikers.
Well, they got so far, but no end result.
Gerir ekkert annað en að tapa.
The referee playing advantage. Bidwell. Moving nicely and real purpose to this. He tackles well, but it's out for a throw.
Ja.
Jake Bidwell. And it's pinched, read his mind there.
Hann bara sloppinn.
Good width with this attack. Chance to go level.
Nú var næst ekki skjóta, fucking hægur. How come?
Og búinn á því eftir að hlaupa upp allan völli með töðruna.
Já.
Blessaðir.
There's been a development in one of the other
Þeir eru
games.
3-0 á móti Ipswich.
Alex Scott can tell us about it.
It's a goal for Bristol City. The score's level again now at 1-1.
Tapa á móti Sheffield Wednesday, lélegasta liðinu í deildinni.
Regular updates from Alex
Og
along the
vinna
way.
næst besta liðið í deildinni.
Liam Kitching. Milan van Ewijk. Tackle made and out for a throw. Ball one, well read. Positive play on the front foot. Should score here. Under pressure, the keeper's done well. Van Ewijk. Well, the travelling fans will be happy with the score. What about the performance as we move towards half-time?
Well, it's been a tight game so far, but they've just had that little bit more quality on the ball, particularly in midfield, where they've just started to take control. They'll be fairly happy going at half-time if it stays like this.
Commentary bara Barcelona, sko.
45 minutes. Well, he's made his mark on the game, proving particularly hard to play against. He's causing problems.
Hvað er það? Elliot úr
Not only did he get the goal that
Cowboys.
gave them the lead, but his general play was really good. He was a
The play is set, the whistle sounds, and the second half begins. Joshua Zirkzee. Oh, could be here. Terrific chance.
Skúraðu. Nicolette.
Making a change here. I've just heard of a goal somewhere else, so over to Alex Scott. Alex, what's happened?
It's a goal for Birmingham City. They've pulled one back with 50 minutes played.
Thanks to Alex for the update. Jake Bidwell. What a chance! Somehow he's missed the chance, a big one.
Well, that's a waste, really. He's got to hit the target there.
Joshua Zirkzee. Moving it forward with purpose, something on maybe. To square things up. Brilliant.
Ég næði ekki að skóra, maður.
Absolutely right. What a save that is. He's reacted so quickly.
Possession changes hands. And it's comfortably done.
Þetta var skot.
No, it's wide, and it never looked a good
How
idea.
come?
Well, he's made a mess of that. That's a wasted opportunity.
And it's pinched, read his mind there.
How come?
Frank Onyeka. Milan van
Þú
Ewijk.
eru á 2 dauðafærum og bara lélegur.
Þetta er bara how come?
Details of a
Já.
goal at Sheffield United.
It's a goal for Leicester City. They're the first on the score sheet here with 59 minutes
Oh, good
played.
opportunity. And he's done really well to keep that out.
Ah!
That's crossed the line. It'll be a throw.
Well, that was a great save. The way they're playing at the moment, the equaliser can't be far away now.
A bit too eager there. Free kick given.
Ég maður sér aldrei spjald í þessu. Hvað er að glæða?
Hvað er þetta ekki nokkru sem hún raukt á þig?
Nei,
Substitution coming up.
aldrei. Við að spjalda í þessari deilgrimur.
Nei,
Josh Eccles. Now
væntanlega.
with Sims.
Hefur þú séð spjald?
Kessler Hayden.
Ég fekk guldspjald bara rétt á það.
Put into the box.
Ég aldrei mikið spjald.
Well, it did look good, and so did the goalkeeper in claiming it.
Er ég að spila þá soft eða?
Ég er alltaf að tækla og eitthvað.
Served through on a plate here.
Ég er bara að byrja að tækla. Jensson.
The defence
Bodley.
quick to snatch it back.
Well, that's a good turnover, isn't it?
Oh, I've just been told of a penalty given elsewhere. Alex Scott can tell us about it.
Well, it was Watford that were awarded the penalty. The keeper dived, but he hit it straight down the middle. An easy one.
Ah!
Now 2-2 with 67 minutes played.
Alex keeping us right up to date. So 20 minutes left of this game. Oh, great work. What's next? Now he's in.
Já,
Another goal. And
Ég
it's
bara ekki
one
með
that
vörn.
tightens their grip on this game. Oh, brilliant anticipation. No sign of stopping yet.
Kevðan.
And that's where it ends. Josh Eccles. Milan van Ewijk. Well, under no real pressure, but unable to keep it in play. A goal elsewhere, and to give you all the info, here's Alex.
Yep, it's a second goal for Bristol City. They're back in this now with 79 minutes played.
As ever, thank you, Alex. Onyeka.
Kommentir eru bara bestir.
And on to Eccles. This could be dangerous. Good score here.